guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a fun hair video for you. I'm going to be doing some hairstyles from the movie Scary Movie with Shannon Elizabeth. And I think her look is iconic in that movie. I absolutely love it. I kind of have a more brighter red going on. It's just a temp color that I decided to put in. It took very well to my hair, clearly, but it's gonna wash out and you'll see me with my ginger hair back soon on here. But it's just fun. I'm gonna have it like this probably for a week and then it'll fade really fast. But I've always loved her look in Scary Movie, and it's just gonna be simple. I'm gonna start from scratch and show you how to get those like lower type of curls and everything. So I even have a similar fit on. She has this kind of cute outfit, this blue and pink, and I got this from YESSTYLE, and they have a lot of really cute 90s inspired clothes. I actually have a code with them if you're interested in saving money. It's just Nicole, Nikole. I just wanted to include that just in case you were kind of interested in this outfit because it looks very Shannon Elizabeth. So we are going to be obviously just doing a hair tutorial, no makeup. I feel like I do similar looks like this all the time, and you guys don't need to see the same thing every single time. So what we're going to be using to achieve this look is the FOXYBAE Rose Gold Trays Sleek Flat Iron. I love this flat iron because, as you can tell, the plates are kind of circular. And it's very easy to curl your hair with this, especially with the type of curls we're going to do today. This isn't going to be your typical curly hair tutorial with a flat iron. I'm going to show you a new way that I have been doing my hair personally. Now, it's definitely different from what you've seen than the typical kind of curling away, so I'm going to be talking about it in detail before. But I really love this flat iron for this type of hair tutorial just because of the circular plates and the rose gold titanium and everything. This will keep your hair curled all day for days. If you guys think I'm kidding, I am not. And this also turns off on its own. So if you kind of are forgetful like me, it'll turn off and you won't have to worry about burning down anything. So yeah, I also do have another coupon code for you guys today. I'm helping you save so much money today with FOXYBAE. My code is FOXYNICOLE, and all my codes will be on the screen and all down below, and that'll save you 60% off your order. So that's more than a half off of your order. That is insane. So yeah, this video is not sponsored, by the way, too. Whenever I choose to talk about FOXYBAE, it's my personal choice because I genuinely love their products. So what we're gonna do first is I'm going to take the FOXYBAE Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray. I love this spray just because it is cotton candy scented and it has biotin in it, and they do not test on animals with this. It makes your hair smell really good, and I've been using this heat protectant spray for over a year now and I haven't gone back. I absolutely love it. You want to make sure you put it all over your hair. It gives a kind of tacky finish in the first like 5 seconds because I think it's just absorbing into your hair. This is what makes the curls last longer, and also it helps protect your hair from breakage and all that. Not just heat, which is great, right? Okay, what I'm first going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to get the low type of curls. So just parting your hair, this is the easy part, then we're going to speed through it. This is the part that I want you guys to see, and then after I explain it and you guys understand, I will just speed through it and it won't be so boring to watch after. Okay, so you want to make sure that there's no like kinks in the hair. So you just want to straighten through. And then what I'm going to do now, this is the fun part. You're going to have your flat iron like this, and then you're going to grab a piece of hair, pull it through, and then, did you see what I did there? And then clasp it together, and then you're going to kind of pull down, and it'll give you a cool type of curl that goes up like this. This is very 90s, very Shannon Elizabeth. So you will see in the end how cute the curls look because they're all bouncing upwards, and it's not going to be at the root of your head. So I'll show you guys again just in case you didn't see that. I'm not sure who started this trend. I've been seeing it float around YouTube. Not that many people have done it. I've seen one person, but she said she got it from someone, so I really don't know who started it. But yeah, so you grab the piece of hair and then you pull the hair over. So the iron's like this, and you pull it over and around, and then like so, and then you close it together and pull down. And that'll give you like a cute kind of flick of the hair. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate it slowly again just so you guys can get the idea. So make sure you straighten out any like kinks in your hair. Like I said, my hair is kind of naturally wavy, so it gets a little curly towards the root. So that's why I like using a straightener. And then grab the hair with the iron open. I hate that my background is so dark you can't see. Okay, I turned up the exposure just for now, but I'm going to turn it back down just because it washes me out. But as you can see the hair. The straightener is open. You just pull the hair like this and then inside of the plate, and then you clasp it and then you pull down. And you'll have this cute curl that goes up like this. You don't have to do that. You can just curl your hair and pull it down. But why I like doing this technique is because it really gives you kind of an uplifted type of curl. See, that's why I do it. But you can just do them normal and just make sure you start at a halfway point. But it's not going to give you the same type of bounce as if you do this, because it kind of flips your hair in a kind of different way. So okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this side again, and then I'm just going to speed through it until we get to the top, and I'll show you some cute little hairstyles you could do. Okay, now we're just going to speed through the process, and I'll show you guys the hairstyles. So I'm showing you that some pieces you don't have to do that complicated thing. You could just grab the ends of the hair and pull like you curl your hair normally. The only reason I'm doing the flippy part on some pieces is because that's what gives you that body in your hair and just something different, and it just doesn't look the same as if you were just doing normal curls. It flips the hair up and gives it more body. See, these pieces are very flipped up and are more voluminous, and I haven't combed them through yet. And we're getting closer to the end of our hair. We're just coming up with the front pieces, and this is going to be the easy part. I just wanted to show you how to get the kind of flipped curls. See how much volume it gives? And that curl is just resting upwards. Now for these short pieces at the top, you don't have to do that. That would just kind of hurt your hands. So you could just do the simple type of curls that you usually do with a flat iron. Just pull it down and away from the face. Okay. So clearly this first look is when she comes out and she's pretending to be a good girl and she just has her cardigan on, but then she takes it off and then she reveals her hair like this. So this is the finished look after doing the trick I was showing you on the FOXYBAE straightener. You can use any straightener, but I like this one because of the round plates, and that's what's going to give you this really fluffy look. So this is the hairstyle that she takes her hair down from and reveals this cute outfit in. So this is the first look. I think it looks very similar, and it gets you that same kind of 90s fluffy look. So this is going to be the first look that you get with it. Obviously you have to curl your hair first. Okay, the second look is when she has the butterfly clips. This is so easy. All you have to do is just grab your hair up here. This is a very 90s and early 2000s look. Make sure your hair is split up and grab 2 butterfly clips. And hers were yellow, so I would recommend using yellow if you want to do a similar look. Like so. I got these butterfly clips off of Etsy, in case you're wondering. Oh, okay, and this is actually, technically, this is the first look that she came out with, but you have to curl your hair first in order to get it. But this is the second look of the video. As much as I love this look, it's time to move on to look number 3, which is very simple as well. So usually she has her hair split down the middle like this, but in a few sections she just flips it over, and that's all we're gonna do, which is so simple. And with the curls already, it should already be just easy to do, and you'll get that same hair look that she has. Now this next one is our last look, which is also very easy. It's just a bump in the center. You just want to grab a few bobby pins and then take the hair up at the top, and you just want to make sure it's just this section. Don't grab it all the way over here, just kind of where your eyebrows rest. So we're doing that and just creating a very tiny little bump. Make sure that you have enough hair in the back, because that's what's going to give you that 90s look. And then you'll grab the hair, twist up right here, and then you'll just put a little bump, and that's where you will put your bobby pins. Super simple. Like I said, the hardest part of this video is just trying to nail down that trick with the curling iron. And you get that bump that she has. Hopefully you can see that. I know that the lighting is a little dark. And then if you want to be fun with it, you can always put the crown on. Okay guys, that is it for this Shannon Elizabeth inspired hairstyles in the movie Scream. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was very simple, easy to achieve, cute hairstyles, give you some ideas on different hairstyles you want to try. Also, you learned a new technique on how to curl your hair with a straightener, something different, not the same thing you see all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram as well. Everything will be linked down below and at the end of this video. And I will leave all my links to FOXYBAE, so in case you guys are interested in their products, and also my link to YESSTYLE for clothing. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.